Good morning, small players, and happy Tuesday. This is our morning gapper scanner that looks for stocks that are set out to open higher than the closing price of the previous trading day. The first stock on the scanner is AQST. This one, what is the news here? Okay, they have some alternative to the EpiPen that is going through trial stages. So this one had a spike on the news. This is the institutional trading session. Actually, this just opens at 7 a.m., so this is all retail. A little choppy. There's resistances on every 5 cents. We can set an alert for break above 130. That's a little trickier because VWAP is right above that and it's descending. So by the time it breaks that, VWAP could be even closer, not providing enough risk reward opportunity. So in that case, we can just wait for break above 135. That would be, the stop there would be below VWAP, and then profit taking would be 140, 145, and 150. So this is what we do all day long. We determine the levels of support and resistance, and then we wait for triggers to trigger trades. For long bias trades, any levels below the triggers could be used for stop losses, and any levels above the trigger levels could be used for profit targets. Short bias trades here, rejection on each level. If it tests is 30 and rejects, that's a trade to 125, 120, and 114. Break below 120 is a trade to 114. Break below 114 is a trade towards 1. Also, as it tries to push up, if it rejects either level of resistance, that's also a short to the next level down. ILAG is another stock we've been trading a lot this month. I'm going to set an alert for break above the high of day. Before that, we could trade break above this level here of 273 or break above VWAP, which is a little riskier because it has these two rejections on 266. AEHL, we can trade the 5-minute flag break here. It's forming one now. The previous one was successful. Other than that, we can also trade a bounce on 90. For shorts, break below VWAP is a trade towards 96 and then 90. PVTS, this one could set up a dead cat bounce. We can trade, what is the high here? 63. I'm going to set an alert for break above 63 for a dead cat bounce trade. AYAL, we can trade a break above VWAP. XFOR, we can trade a break above VWAP. And same with EQ. The rest have lower volume, so we can analyze them later today. I just want to take a look at QQQ, see where that's at on the day. Okay, so it's approaching yesterday's high of day. Break above 279.50 would be a TQQ trade. A rejection there is an SQQ trade. As long as it stays above 278, we can trade TQQQ. Break below 278 is an SQQ trade towards 277 and 276. Okay, and then I just want to take a look at Sava, which has been incredible for us. So Sava in the pre-market session normally doesn't have a lot of volume, but then if it triggers a key level, it can really move after bell. So I'm going to send an alert here for break above 47 for a trade. Yesterday's break above 42 was great. And that's it, you guys. I'll see you in the chat room.